Just going to show you how to use your data analysis toolpak. Once you have your data available to see, click on Data Analysis that you have already loaded. Find Descriptive Statistics. You're going to select your data by clicking the red arrow. Then drag and drop as if you're highlighting your data. Make sure to also select the data label. Go back to your red arrow and click the down red arrow. Because we selected the label in the first row, we want to go ahead and tell Excel we did that, so click on Labels in the first row. We want it to do Summary Statistics, so click on Summary Statistics. And then I always think it's a good idea to name your output file. It's going to add a new worksheet down at the bottom of the screen down here. We want to name that, we'll just call it Fake Analysis. So you click OK. You now have this new worksheet called Fake Analysis. If we click back over here, here's our original data. Here's the analysis. You can make it larger by turning your cursor to a double black arrow by selecting the line between A and B and either dragging and dropping or double clicking. And then now you have all of your descriptive statistics that you would need.